If you're looking for a Coursera Java programming review, you might be wondering whether Coursera is a good place to learn Java in 2026. After looking at the available courses and learning paths, I'd say it's one of the best platforms for beginners and aspiring software developers. Before we get started, if you're planning to take multiple Java or software development courses, check the discount link in the description. Coursera Plus can save you money compared to purchasing learning programs individually. One of the biggest strengths of Coursera is the variety of Java courses available. Beginners can start with IBM's Java Programming for Beginners, which teaches Java syntax, programming principles, memory management, and the core skills needed to start writing Java applications. If you're looking for a more complete learning path, Duke University's Java Programming and Software Engineering Fundamentals is an excellent choice. Instead of teaching only the language itself, it combines Java programming with software engineering concepts, debugging, algorithms, and web development fundamentals. For learners who want a career-focused credential, the IBM Java Developer Professional Certificate goes beyond the basics. It covers object-oriented programming, Git, cloud-native development, software architecture, REST APIs, Docker, and other skills commonly used by Java developers. Another thing I like about Coursera is that you can continue learning after mastering Java. There are courses covering Spring Boot, Enterprise Java, data structures, algorithms, concurrent programming, and even AI for Java developers, allowing you to build a complete software engineering roadmap. Of course, no online course guarantees a job. Your success still depends on practicing regularly, building projects, and creating a portfolio that demonstrates your programming skills. The only downside is that if you continue taking multiple Java courses or professional certificates, paying for each learning program separately can become expensive. That's why I usually recommend Coursera Plus. Instead of purchasing courses one by one, you get access to more than 10,000 eligible courses, professional certificates, specializations, guided projects, and hands-on labs from over 350 leading universities and companies. You can earn unlimited certificates while your subscription is active, making it the best value for long-term learners. If you want to check the latest Coursera Plus discount, you'll find the link in the description below.